Uyere, greetings. Do means thanks or sorry or well done. Mavo, how are you? Meiro, I'm fine. Obunwemidori, is the home all right? Odori, yes, it's fine. Ekruwo, how is the family? Ekrero, the family is fine. Emowero, where are your children? Anyekpada, they went out. Oyoma, all right, all good. Ukoko Uyo Notable Facebook group, join us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, it is free of it. Follow us on Instagram, IG, Ukoko Uyo Notable. I remain your humble presenter, Ekurume Owumi Ogenenyo Wado Urubu Feyo no Urobo is worth learning.